Getting your account in order early really does make running a business feel calmer and more manageable. Mistakes, often the ones you don't spot, that end up creating stress later on. Welcome back to Burton's Academy. This video in Accounting Top Tips series is designed to take the pressure off and help you feel more confident with your finances. Subscribe to follow the full series. Next, we'll break down how to structure your accounts clearly and effectively. Mistake number 1, letting records slip. Poor expense tracking leads to inaccurate report and shaky decision making. Try using accounting software or apps to log and categorize as you go. With clarity, you won't be second guessing. Mistake number 2, mixing personal and business spending. Using personal accounts for business costs makes tax and reporting messy. Open up a business account to keep things clean, clear, and compliant. And VAT returns are so much easier. Mistake number 3, misclassifying transactions. Putting things in the wrong category affects VAT and tax accuracy. Stick to a structured chart of account to keep everything consistent. Mistake number 4, skipping bank reconciliation. Not matching up your transactions can cause messy books and issues later down the line. Monthly check-ins help you spot mistakes and keep things balanced. Think of this like reviewing your cash flow, it's worth a few minutes. Mistake number 5, VAT filing errors. Late or inaccurate VAT submissions can lead to penalties and unnecessary stress. Use MakeTax digital compliance software to stay on track and automate submissions. Staying ahead of VAT doesn't have to be stressful. Planning beats panic every time. Next up in the series is Chart of Accounts Explained. How to organise your finances without the jargon. If this gives you a clearer path forward, give it a like and subscribe, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. Burton's Academy is here to make accounting simpler, smoother, and something you can actually feel in control of.